What's up, guys? I'm only gonna show you like a real quick video of Time 9 hack, but I'm not gonna show you. I'm just gonna show you when I hack it. Get right into it, guys, cause I hacked it. Get ready. See this? You want this one? Daniel Stone, I like the page of Daniel Stone. You see this? And to end the video, just peace out, guys, with the Firestone. Remember to like the page while I'm on hacks. And see you guys. And, oh wait, and you see that? See how it's going? That's cool, huh? Oh, it runs out. See you guys.